engine is probably suffering quite bad as it is. I'm not gonna... Oh my god, I hear a knocking sound. I really hope that is not any piston or rod or anything. I don't think it is, but that is for Kogu to figure out. Oh my god, when I rev it, it's a lot worse. So. I got this 2012 BMW F30 328i almost 2 years ago, which was my dream car at the time. Before buying the car, I saw the car's inspection report and even took it to a mechanic for further inspection. However, it's now safe to say that I was lied to. Up until now, I've had to deal with countless drivetrain errors, oil leaks, boost leaks, and I've even had to rebuild the turbo. This went on until 6 months ago when I thought everything was fixed, but it now appears that I was wrong. Moments of truth. Piston is fine, the piston is fine, the piston is fine. No metal, there is no metal.
Yeah.
There is metal.
Can see the shining?
No. I'm gonna close the hood. Is this metal? Oh my god. Bro, are all of these like pieces of the engine?
Yeah.
Is this a piece of the engine?
Yeah. This one. The metal piece.
Is this normal?
Just a little bit of the engine now.
We don't need the whole engine, right?
Yeah, this one.
We don't need the whole engine.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, so we just change the oil. We get rid of the metal.
We change the coolant.
We change the coolant. Welcome back to another episode of brand new used car. Today we are going to buy a new engine for this car. I mean, it was bound to happen, bro. With my driving, with the condition that we bought this car in, I'm really glad that we survived a year and 8 months. We've all been waiting for this. We knew this day is gonna happen. If you have a BMW with the N20 engine, this is completely normal.
Yeah.
How much is the bill? So I can drive back home?
Just 10,000.
Just to check. Wow. Just 10,000 Indian rupees. Perfect condition. Perfect. Okay, day 2. It's actually the next week, but day 2. A lot of people told me since I posted my story on Instagram that I just need to sell the car and get something else. So that is what I did. Here's my brand new Porsche 911.
Brand new used car, which is right here.
Bro, don't ruin it. Perfect condition. So what we're gonna do today is an oil change. We're gonna change the oil and we're gonna drive the car back home. In all seriousness, we're gonna take out the engine and we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what's inside. Is it the piston that's broken? Is it the rod bearings? Blah, blah, blah. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but the car is for sale now for double the price that it was before. Yes. What is the least valuable currency in the world?
Oh, wow.
Wow. Since I am from Iran and we have the least valuable currency in the world, I'm not gonna buy an N55 like a lot of you have asked me, and I'm not gonna change my car. I love this car, I'm gonna keep it forever. I made the biggest mistake of my life selling my 5 Series. It's not gonna happen again. Fast forward to like 2 months from now and I'm selling the car, you know? Okay. No. All right, let's wait for Kogu. Let's take out this engine and see what's in it. They are taking out the gearbox. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm nervous but very happy at the same time. I can't wait to actually open up the engine and see what's going on inside, so stay tuned for that. I can smell fuel. Wow. Oh my god, that is so rude. Bro, you know how many times we've changed coolant on this car? I told you, bro, once we change the coolant, the car will be fine.
Now you can actually drive back home.
Yes, we can actually drive back home. Coolant, we changed like 3 times more than the engine oil. This is called a major service for BMWs. We're actually talking about getting an M4, and I said that I have had a look and they are quite cheap right now. Like 2014 ones are 220,000 ringgit, $50,000. If I get the cheapest M4, history is gonna repeat itself, you know? I got the second cheapest 328 on the market, and this is my life. And I have a feeling M4 is gonna be more expensive. If I wanna get a facelift one, like 3 years newer, it's gonna be 100K more. So the question is, do I have to spend 100K to perfect that car?
You better get the LCI model, M348.
M348? But if I
All-wheel drive.
do donuts in the M340i, I'm gonna break the front axle and we are gonna see each other a lot. No! The people who I bought this car from are amazing people. Definitely recommend not buying cars from them. This car was actually inspected and approved by the way. As you can see, this is the, like, I don't know what, 20th episode of brand new used car. Kogu has aged very well during this time. You know, when I met him, his hair was black. But now he has a lot of white hair over here because every time I come here, I bother him. Did you know that I'm the highest paid employee here? So as we can see, this engine is in perfect condition, and we are gonna put it right back into the car and drive away. Thank you very much for watching.
Careful, bro.
And then he brings out the tools, you know, the power tools. It's like we have.
Losing